Hello friends, today I come here with a tutorial of a very attractive cocoa sponge cake that is made with just 4 eggs and even you can cook it without an oven. I already had a video about the tutorial of vanilla sponge cake, the link is above. In this video I am here with another method. So stay with me and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: egg, 4 numbers, vanilla, a quarter of a teaspoon, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons, sugar, 100 grams, flour, 100 grams, boiling water, a quarter of a glass. Well, at first turn on the gas flame and turn it down. Now place a flame spreader on the gas flame, then put a pot on it and close the lid to create an oven-like atmosphere inside the pot. If you use an oven, turn on the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Well, I take 2 dishes and separate the egg whites and yolks. This is one of the most important parts of preparing this cake. I put the yolks into a large bowl because at the end all the ingredients are going to be added to the yolks. If a piece of eggshell or a little yolk is spilled in the white, do not remove it with your finger and use a clean and dry spoon. A drop of water or fat will ruin the cake. In the next step, I start beating the egg whites with an electric mixer. Beat the egg whites until become like cream and see the effect of the stirrer blades on the egg whites. Something takes about 4 minutes, so do not tired of stirring. You can see that the egg white is fully formed. If you had mixed the egg white well, if you turn your bowl completely, it will not spill out at all. Put the egg white in the refrigerator. Now it's time to sift the flour. Add the baking powder to the flour and sift them together for 2 times. Now add the 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it and sift them together again for 3 or 4 times. This will make your flour lighter and you will have a softer cake. Well, let's go to our yolks. I add sugar and vanilla to the yolks and start stirring. Then I add boiling water to it little by little and continue stirring. Another reason for the cake to be spongy is to stir the egg yolk very well. So stir it until the sugar is completely dissolved and uniform cream-like liquid is obtained. Note that as soon as the boiling water is added, you should stir well so that the yolk doesn't harden. Therefore, add the boiling water little by little. I add the sifted flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder to the yolk little by little. The important thing is not to stir too much after adding them, because the baking powder loses its effect. So just mix until the flour is completely dissolved. Now add the egg whites to the cake little by little and mix slowly by folding the whites into the yolks. Move the spatula in a circular motion from bottom to top in one direction so that the white puff does not go away. This part is very important, and if you stir a lot and the bubbles disappear, the cake will be like a board. Well, the cake mixture is ready. I mix half a teaspoon of butter with half a teaspoon of white flour to get a thick creamy liquid. Now I lubricate the bottom and walls of the pot by a brush so that the cake can be easily separated from the mold after baking. Now I put the cake mixture into the pot. I close the lid and let it cook on the low flame for 50 minutes to an hour on the gas and or 20 minutes in the oven. To make sure your cake is fully baked, try the cake with a wooden skewer. If your cake ingredients do not stick to the wooden skewer, it means that your cake is baked and ready. Remove it from the gas or out of the oven. As you can see, when the cake is hot, it can be easily removed from the mold. As you can see, the cake has good elastic texture. Together, I cut this beautiful cake in half. It is better to make a cake one day and decorate it the next. In the upcoming videos, we will decorate this cocoa sponge cake together. Therefore, subscribe to the channel so you will be notified whenever I upload it. Hope to see you again.